Hello and welcome to the Strategic Management course here in the MBA at Tiffin University. My name is Dr. Marvin, and I have the distinct privilege and honor of working with you over the next 7 weeks as we explore some different topics and ideas around strategy. So how do business leaders develop these plans for moving companies and organizations forward? We're going to explore a lot of different aspects and perspectives on that over the next 7 weeks. So just wanted to introduce you to some things as we get going here, as we start the course. So first of all, welcome, and look forward to working with you. As you know, as you're probably very well familiar at this point in your academic journey, we have some discussion posts to make here early in week 1, introducing ourselves to each other so we can collaborate and connect through Moodle there. So please make sure you get your introduction post up and around just as quick as you can. I'd also encourage you to, as hopefully you're very well familiar again, the course documents. So be sure to grab the course syllabus, my introduction there as well, and the other information related to the course. You'll notice the textbook that is required for the course. So as you click through that Start Here section in Moodle, let me know if you have any questions about anything as you get up and running. Tiffin University, we take great pride here on campus with our I care values. So I care is our core values. And so what that stands for is interdependence. C is for communication. A is accountability. R is respect. And E is entrepreneurship. So here in this academic year that we're just starting, we're focusing on interdependence. And so from the university's perspective, how do they define interdependence? We are an inclusive and caring community that emphasizes service as a foundation of success. So that's how Tiffin University describes and defines interdependence. What interdependence means to me is that, kind of that idea of dependence, in that I am dependent on a lot of other people in my life. So I am very dependent on you as students here at Tiffin University, so that I can do what I love every day as an instructor. I'm also very dependent on my wife and my family and my parents and those sorts of things, right? So that interdependence, that interconnection that we have, and what I really relate that back to is that your success in the classroom is my success as your instructor. So if I don't do as, excuse me, if I'm not successful in delivering the content, helping you learn and explore, much more importantly than covering the content, but helping you learn and explore the concepts and the ideas about strategy as future or current leaders within business, trying to advance your knowledge in this area. I'm not doing a good job. And your success in your career or future career is really dependent on that. So I hope I can make true on that and deliver some great learning experiences for you over the next 7 weeks. Just kind of back to the course documents and that. So make sure you grab the course syllabus. Click through the weeks in Moodle. Be aware of the deadlines and the timelines, the requirements as we go through each week. I know this is probably not anyone's first MBA course here at Tiffin University, so I hope you're familiar with the cadence, the pace, and that sort of thing. As far as the assignments go, pretty routine things overall, mostly throughout the course of the next 7 weeks. There towards the back end of the class, we do have the field of study exam, and so I'll be sharing more about that as we go throughout the next few weeks as that approaches. but just know that there's really no studying necessarily that you need to do for that. You've already prepared by approaching this point in the MBA program. So this is really just an assessment tool that we use in further improving, enhancing the MBA program here at the school. So as far as office hours go, I don't have any published office hours over the next 7 weeks, which basically my comment on that is basically I am available. So if you want to get together and do a Zoom, do a collaborate session through Moodle, I am around. I am available. I'm your partner in your education. So if you want to just send me an email with some questions, whatever the case might be, whatever I can do to be your partner in your academic journey, I'm here, ready and able. So as I mentioned in the written introduction as well, and welcome to the course, it's my expectation that you reach out during the first week of the course here and give me a call. You have my cell phone number, so feel free just to give me a call. If you'd like to set up a time, I'm more than happy to do that as well. But it's my expectation that we connect during this first week of class, just so we can put some voices to names at least. If you want to do a Zoom call or just a phone call, whatever works best for you. But I look forward to talking with you soon, as well as reading your introductions on Moodle. So take care, have a great rest of your day, and we'll be in touch.